Hey, it's WEEN Boy, and welcome to the second lesson in our affiliate marketing course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the two things you need to get started with affiliate marketing. The first is a property or platform. A platform is simply a place where you can recommend your links. So that might be your own website or YouTube channel. Now, creating either of these is pretty straightforward, so we won't go into things like how to make an affiliate website, because this course is about the actual marketing of an affiliate site. The second thing you'll need is relevant and consistent traffic. Relevant traffic means that you're attracting visitors to your website that are interested in a topic and ideally want to make a purchase soon. And one of the most important parts to getting relevant traffic is by creating content, which will house information as well as your affiliate links. So that might be reviews of products, best of comparison lists, and how-to articles. We'll talk about how you can come up with these topics in a later module. As for getting consistent traffic, much of that will come down to where you get your traffic from. 3 of the most popular channels are social media, ads, and search engines. Now, social traffic is typically inconsistent because social media networks are designed to surface new content. But many affiliate pages can actually be somewhat evergreen. So if you don't have a significant following and brand, I wouldn't count on social media as a reliable primary source for traffic to an affiliate site. Now, ads can be great because you can get highly relevant traffic fast, but you have to pay for every single person who clicks on your ad. So unless you're a part of a very high-paying affiliate program and you have the expertise with ads and conversion rate optimization, I'd stay away from ads because you'll find yourself underwater fast. Now, search traffic is free, consistent, and passive, and the way you get search traffic is through a marketing method called search engine optimization, or SEO. It's the primary traffic source I recommend, and it's what many multi-million-dollar affiliate websites rely on. We'll go much deeper into the tactical and strategic elements of creating content and getting relevant and consistent traffic in a later module. But first, you need to know whether the reward will be worth the effort. So, in the next lesson, we're going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing and how much you can actually make.